This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed chicken with lily bulbs and cloud ear fungus.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is an old traditional dish that my grandma and mother used to make. I seldom see this dish on dinner tables nowadays. It only takes a few ingredients, it's quick and it's easy, and it goes great with jasmine rice. We start by soaking the cloud ear fungus and the dried lily bulbs for about 30 minutes. Cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. If you prefer, you can remove the skin and any visible fat. Now, marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a dash of pepper. Now, set the chicken aside. After 30 minutes, the black fungus would have tripled in size. Pick out and tear up the bigger pieces. Discard any hard bits. And give it a good rinse. Some of the golden needles would have hard ends as well. Trim these hard ends off. Mix the lily bulbs, fungus, and ginger with the chicken. Steam over medium heat for 20 minutes. This dish goes great with rice. Steamed chicken with lily bulb or golden needle and cloud ear fungus.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.